Hey guys, so here we are preparing for your quiz that will cover all things rational equations. So here's question number 1. So what you want to do is remember to get rid of your denominator. We do not want anything in the denominator. We don't want fractions. So you see how this is a 6n squared? That's the biggest number. And this is also have the largest exponent. So we're going to multiply everything by 6n squared. Now here, notice here, this has two n's. This has 1. So that cancels and we're left with 1n and the 6's go away. So we're left with 5n. The n squares here cancel and 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 1, which is 3. And these cancel and we get 5. And now we have just a slight little algebra problem, which is sweet. Subtract your 3. We get 5n equals 2. Divide by 5. And n equals 2 over 5. Okay. I wish I could get this out of the way, but I can't. Okay. Number 2. So here we go. P squared plus 2p minus 3 equals 5 over p squared plus 2p minus 3 plus 5 over p plus 3. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do something, especially if you don't like factoring, is what I like to call faux factoring or fake factoring. We know p plus 3 is going to be a factor. So the question is, 3 times what will give me negative 3? And the answer is p minus 1. So what I'm going to do is replace this as my new denominator. And I'm going to do the same here, p plus 3. Okay, so now this is the more complicated denominator. So what I'm going to do is multiply everything, every stinking little thing, with p plus 3 and p minus 1. Okay, I know it looks ugly, but it's really not going to be that bad. So p plus 3 cancels, and same with the p minus 1. So we're left with 2. Again, these both cancel, and I'm left with 5. Here, the p plus 3 cancels, so we're going to get plus 5 times p minus 1. Before we do anything, we do have to distribute. So 5 plus 5p minus 5. Well, 5 minus 5, that actually cancels, so we're left with 2 equals 5p. And we're solving for p, so divide by 5. So p equals 2 over 5. Okay. We'll try number 3 right here. Oops, there we go. So 3n squared plus n minus 6 over n squared equals 4n. Okay, so n squared is going to be my biggest. And notice I don't have any numbers at the bottom, so life is going to be a little easier than that first question. So the n squares cancel and left with 3. Same thing here, n minus 6. Notice here, 2 n's, and that's 1 n. So this will cancel and leave me with 1 n, so that equals 4n. Collect like terms, so we get negative 3 plus n equals 4n. Okay, we're going to subtract our n over. We get negative 3 equals 3n. Divide by 3. And n equals negative 1. Okay, not too bad, right? Again, we're taking something that looks ugly and making it pretty. So 2 over, and we're on number 4 now. X plus 6 plus 1 over x squared plus x minus 30 equals x over x squared plus x minus 30. Okay. We're going to do fake factoring again. So I know this will be x plus 6. So positive 6 times what is negative 30? The answer is x minus 5. So we're going to rewrite these. So now, again, x plus 5. Oh, shoot. Let's make that an x plus 6 and an x minus 5. Sorry about that. X plus 6, x minus 5. X plus 6, x minus 5. Okay. So here the x plus 6's cancel, and I'm left with 2 times x minus 5. These both cancel, plus 1. Again, these cancel, equals x. We're now distributing, so we're going to get 2x minus 10 plus 1 equals x. 2x, clean this side up, is negative 9. I'm going to subtract 2x over. Negative 9 equals negative 1x. Divide by negative 1, and x equals 9. Okay?